Hi and welcome back. The little O3 has been slumbering on a new siding recently installed for the goods shed. The new siding, while short, has increased the operational flexibility quite a bit, as the O3 will now demonstrate. For this to take place, part of the old narrow gauge railway that was installed at the time the dock was being built had to be lifted and truncated behind the goods shed. A new point was installed, and this finally allows a straight line into the shed. The O3 can now place 2 vans for unloading into the shed and wait with the others on the old siding end. Then, after a suitable pause, the vans are swapped around. This time the O3 waits with them on the new siding. And this gives me a chance to show you something interesting. You will have seen the lovely Midland 1P running with the Midland clear story coaches. But I wonder if there's another loco that will look good with these coaches. Some other Midland steam loco maybe. Well, no actually, this is the Howden Metropolitan Electric loco. But stay with me on this. Just look at how similar the lining and panelling is. The base colour is similar too. Let's see her running with the coaches and make up our minds. Surely a fine example of Model Railway Rule 1 in action. Now back to the new siding. All the vans have been unloaded and the O3 makes ready to take them away to be combined into a pick-up goods later in the day.